This is a really important time for Scotland's nature. We're at a time where Brexit means a time of change, a time of threat. So we've got a real chance for Scotland to lead the way in environmental legislation. And the best way to do that is through a Scottish Environment Act. I'd like to see a Scottish Environment Act cover the basic protection of the environment through the key principles which are enshrined within EU law at the moment and need to move into Scottish law. I'd also like to see it provide a watchdog that will ensure that those laws are actually adhered to. And finally, I'd like to see some targets within that to ensure that we're ambitious for Scotland's environment for the future.